back, everyone, to another episode of Mumbles. Today, I'm here to bring you guys something a little bit different, little change of pace. Usually, we would be having a product review today. But the thing is that Black Friday is quickly approaching. And that's something that there's multiple products for. And as someone who does product reviews, I felt the need to actually sit down and have a nice conversation with you guys about Black Friday. And to give you guys some tips as to doing the best shopping that you can on Black Friday. So let's talk about Black Friday and these tips. Now, my first tip for you today is that Black Friday is a couple weeks away. So that means you have plenty of time to make a list of all the things that you would like to get or might need during Black Friday. This just makes it easier, keeps you on track. You know what you need. Oh, maybe you need a TV. Maybe you need a new vacuum. Maybe you need, I don't know, some toothpaste. I don't know what you need, but you can make a list and have it ready to go so that when Black Friday rolls around, you say, oh, I need this, 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 and this. Now, my second tip for you guys is once you make this list, do make sure to price check everything on the list. What good is it to have a list if you don't know if it's a good deal or not? Black Friday is all about getting those good deals. And if you want to get the best deals, you need to know kind of the ballpark of what price it is that you need to have in order for it to be a good deal. So it's very simple to do a price check. All you have to do is you have to go and do your little research. You go online, you go to Walmart.com, you go to Amazon.com, Target.com, whatever other stores you get in your area that have an online. Go online right now and see what the price is that they're offering for their products right now. Then you'll know, hey, I need to get $10 off on this blender in order for it to be a good deal. You'll be able to identify that quickly. You won't miss out on any deals. My third tip for you guys today is do create a budget. It's easy in these shopping events to kind of go hog wild. I mean, I've been guilty of it. I'm sure that we've all been guilty of, buying more than we're supposed to buy. So have a budget in mind. Know how much you can spend. If you're spending for yourself, know how much you can handle. It's very simple to create a budget. You add up all your expenses and all your costs for that month, and you come up with a price or amount of money that you want to spend. Or you don't even have to do that. You could just say, I've been saving $250. My budget for these sales is $250. I'm not spending a penny over that. If you have a budget, it helps to keep you in line. It helps so you don't have an accident, where in as much as, I spent $300, I only had $200, now my power is going to go out. You don't have to deal with that. So do create some kind of budget to help kind of keep yourself in line. My fourth recommendation and tip for you guys today is make sure to check the return policy of all stores that you buy items from. If this is a gift, maybe you're buying a gift on Black Friday. You need another return policy in case for some reason, whoever you're buying it from, maybe you bought somebody a jacket and it just doesn't fit them, or you bought them a new pair of shoes and it just doesn't fit them. Know the return policy so you know if, it'll make a decent gift or not. Now let's talk about tip number 5. My fifth tip for you today is remember, just because a store is having Black Friday sales does not mean that everything in the store is marked down. For example, if you go someplace and you buy a TV, maybe you're getting a great deal for the TV. Maybe it's $1,000 off. But maybe the cables cost an extra $50. Maybe they marked them up. So don't just look at items that you are gonna buy. Look for the accessories that go with those items too. Because sometimes it has happened where a store will mark up the price of those little add-ons that, $10, that's a good deal. When in reality, you can get that same item online for $5 or $4. So do be aware of the add-on trap. I like to call it the add-on trap. Now, our sixth tip is that if you are going out on Black Friday, make sure to get there as early as possible. Now, I'm not talking about camping out overnight. You can if you want to, but I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying make sure to get there as early as possible. The earlier you get there, the more products that the store is going to have. If you go later in the day, things are going to be sold out. It's not going to be a good experience. Try to go early. Now my 7th tip is do not fall in the trap of Black Friday. Remember, following Black Friday, we have Cyber Monday, where you can get deals online just about anywhere that has an online store. So if you don't find what you're looking for on Black Friday, don't settle for something that isn't quite right. Check and see if they have it on Cyber Monday. Now my final tip for you guys today, my 8th and final tip, is that remember, no matter what it is you're doing on Black Friday, stay safe. This is a stressful time of year for us all. We're all shopping. Maybe some of us don't like shopping. Maybe some of us are stressed. We've got bills to pay. We need to buy kids toys, things like that. Remember, everyone is stressed. Try to keep that in mind. Try to be courteous to each other. And just stay safe. These have been my tips for helping you guys survive Black Friday, and I hope they help. It's a stressful time of year. Be safe out there. Have a great day, everyone. I hope you guys get some great deals. And this is Mumbles signing off. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.